Here comes the police helicopter straight for me. They were coming because the gardeners cut the lawn 5 fucking times a week. They're always out here blowing shit around. The more sound they make, the more they pretend they're working. There's no call. This is for me. This is for cover-up bullcrap. He needs video from above that house doing circles. So he's done so many power circles over it. See, stupid arrogance too. They have some fake bullshit call right now. They know they need footage, low circles around my house since they've done so much stupid shit. But there is no call. For 15 years, there was never even a helicopter within a few miles of my house. There's no call right now. I don't know why they always stick to their guns. I think this is stupid too. Oh yeah, we had a transformer fire. People should look this up. This is a fake call. Whatever they have going on right now, you should send some normal people to the ground. People have been reviewing the videos and they know that the day when they said the transformer fire, that video is so damning that now they're out here doing this fake call. I wouldn't be surprised if they shoot me. I don't know why people don't take that seriously. There's a police helicopter who's tortured me for 2 years. Look how low he is. You know what? That's actually not the police helicopter. It's painted differently. And it's not white and blue. It's a blur of paint. There aren't clear lines. That wasn't the police helicopter. It's the same exact model, and it wasn't white and blue. And it's a misty morning, so it's difficult to see the colors. And it wasn't a stark contrast from white to blue, and it wasn't white and blue. It was this weird grayish back, and then it was this blur, like they put graphics, like nylon graphics all over the middle section, and then the front wasn't even exactly white. So it was a cover-up helicopter on a misty morning like this. To say that those other ones weren't the police helicopter, which I don't know how the fuck any stupid lawyer could argue that. I had the police helicopter right there, and right there on my head, 2 feet over it.